I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by Tiana. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick weave from start to finish. I want to give a huge thank you to UNice for sponsoring this portion of the video. They did send me over 4 bundles. So this is their Brazilian body wave. I have a 20-inch, 2 22 inches, and a 24-inch. I've never done a detailed quick weave, side part quick weave tutorial before. So yeah, I'm excited about this. So I want to go ahead and get into it. What I'm doing right now is just parting out my hair, just trying to figure out where I want to place my side part. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me. So now that I know where I want my side part to start at, what I'm doing now is just taking out the pieces of the hair that's going to cover up the tracks and just separating that from the actual part. How much hair you leave out totally depends on how thick your hair is. My hair is kind of short because I did cut it in the beginning of the summer, but it is really thick, so I really don't have to leave out that much hair. But if your hair is on the thinner side, for sure make sure that you're leaving out enough so that it can cover up the tracks. Next, I'm just going to put my hair up in the ponytail so that I can braid down my leave out. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it, baby. Don't close your eyes to get away. Bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Right here, I'm just parting out the hair that I want to leave out on the side and also the back of my head. The reason why I'm leaving out some hair on the side and also the back is so I can also pull it up in like a little ponytail if I'm ever at the gym or whenever I get tired of just my hair being on my shoulders.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely, alone. Getting slowly when you know me. Yeah, what it take, you can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me. Lay your head on my pillow.
And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now that my leave out is braided down, we're going to get into braiding the base of the hair. You make me Depending on how thick your hair is, that will determine how long it will take to braid down your hair. It took me 30 minutes to braid down my hair, but I did have like a little show playing on my iPad to keep me calm while I was going through this process.
Wanna go deep, intimate, that you really inside. You deserve it, on the line, lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh, touch it. When you touch it, know it's okay, ooh. When I get around you,
Next, we're going to just oil down that scalp, girl. We do not want our scalp to be itchy under that cap because, listen, when it comes down to quick weaves, it is so hard to get to those braids when your scalp is itchy. And this next step that you see me doing is at your discretion. I am sewing down my braids. If you don't know how to use needle and thread to sew down your braids, you can use bobby pins to pin up your braids so that your braids is not like all over the place under the cap, and it also gives like a more flatter look. And there isn't a specific black wig cap that you need. I literally just grabbed one out of my local beauty supply store. Any black wig cap will work for this quick weave method. So I'm taking this little white eyeliner pencil just to outline the areas where I did not want the glue to touch, which will be the perimeter of my leave out.
Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want it. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop.
Next, I'm going to go in with the red hair protective shield. This is what's going to prevent the glue from going through the cap. That way, when you get ready to take out this install, you don't have any glue on your actual hair. So I'm just going to take that product and work it throughout the whole head. And you want to make sure that you do not go past that white line, because if you get any of that protective shield on your actual leave out, it can be really hard to get out. It is possible to get out. All you need is some hot water and a rag, but to save you some time, just make sure that you do not go over that white line. After you apply the product throughout the whole head, you're going to follow up with a blow dryer, and you want to blow dry the cap for at least 10 minutes before you go to the next step. Next, we're going to take our Super Hair Bond glue and apply to the wig cap. You're going to trace the glue around the perimeter of your leave out. And then we're going to follow up with the blow dryer for a good 5 minutes. And after we blow dry the hair, we're going to cut the cap off of our head and then start installing the tracks. You want to take your time and be very careful when doing this next step so that you do not cut off any of your real hair. I've done it before and it was not a good look, so don't be like me. Just take your time. I promise you it'll be worth it. So we're going to go in with our first bundle. I like starting off with the longest bundle at the bottom, and I'm going to go straight across all the way up into my ears, and then I'm going to work my way up and start curving the track. And then after I paste the track on my cap, I'm just going to hold it for a few seconds just for it to get secure, and then follow up with the blow dryer just to make sure that the glue is all the way dry. And you're going to do the same step over and over until you get to the top of your ear. This is how it should look once you have applied all of the tracks going straight across all the way up into your ear. Now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and start curving the tracks.
What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, it's people like not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. But I like you, so baby, I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. I wanna get you to myself.
So now that I've installed the first bundle, I'm going to go in with the second bundle in 22 inches. So I'm currently on my third bundle and I still have a little bit of room left for the fourth bundle. So I'm going to keep the same rotation going until I get to my leave out. So you guys can see that I am continuing to just curve the tracks going up. Now I wanted a really deep side part with some hair in the front of my face. If you do not like hair in front of your face, I would not suggest doing this method. If you want some of the hair to go towards the side of your face, I would suggest applying the tracks going like straight across. But I'll have to show y'all that type of style in a different video. So I'm just going to take the Icy Heat Protectant Spray and spray it on my hair and then go through my hair with the hot comb. Next, I'm just going to add some layers to shape my face and to also give my hair a little bit more volume and body. surprisingly, it did hold a curl really well. I'm on day 2 of this install and I have not needed to recurl my hair as of yet. And I absolutely love that. The less heat, the less damage, and also is very low maintenance.
She wasn't on a road, now she want on a runner. You see the dark skin girls with the light skin crew. Probably see you. But she the light skin girl with the light skin crew. Y'all know the 3 house to say this bitch looks like crazy dog. She gets down just like crazy dog. Round the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Magic this away. Every time, every that. And every new word when she gets away. That is how it goes. That is how it goes. So we run good. She gets away.
I think I say this about almost all of my installs, but this one for sure may be one of my favorites. I love this install. I love these bundles. It blends in with my natural hair so smoothly. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to join the game, make sure you subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.